The rain fell like a silent judgment on the cold, cracked pavement of downtown. People rushed past, umbrellas in hand, collars pulled high, eyes glued to their phones or fixed on the ground as if it hurt to see too much. No one noticed her at first, the girl with shaking knees, soaked hair clinging to her face, her hospital gown barely tied, and in her arms, a newborn swaddled in a threadbare towel. She collapsed near the corner of Lexington and 3rd, right outside a coffee shop where warmth and chatter floated through the windows like a cruel tease. She cradled the baby closer, her lips blue, whispering, "It's okay. Mama's here," before the world dimmed and her body gave in. No one stopped. They stepped over her. Around her. Some paused, stared, then turned away, telling themselves, someone else will help. 30 minutes earlier. Her name was Maya, 22 years old, alone, and barely surviving. Her labor started unexpectedly while she was cleaning the floors of the shelter that had given her a temporary place to sleep. Her water broke in the mop bucket. No one offered to drive her. No ambulance came. She walked, to the city hospital in pain, clutching her belly, her breath coming in short, terrified gasps. 4 hours later, she gave birth to a little girl she named Hope. But hospitals don't keep you long when you have no insurance and nowhere to go. They wrapped the baby in a hospital towel, handed Maya a bag of samples and formula, and wished her good luck. No cab would stop for her. Her legs trembled. Her stitches ached. Her stomach was empty. And the baby, barely a few hours old, whimpered softly, hungry and cold. Now, as Maya lay unconscious in the rain, her child pressed to her chest, something unexpected happened. A sleek black car, a 1957 Rolls-Royce Phantom, classic yet intimidating, rolled to a stop beside the curb. The door opened, and polished shoes splashed into the puddles. He saw her. Everyone else saw just a homeless girl who'd made bad choices. He saw something else. His name was Ethan Vale, 42, a billionaire entrepreneur known for his tech empire and cold demeanor. But behind the headlines and the tailored suits, Ethan had scars, ones no camera had ever captured. He knelt down. Without a word, he gently picked up Maya, careful not to jostle the baby, and carried her into the warmth of his car. His driver glanced back through the mirror, stunned. "Hospital?" he asked. Ethan shook his head. "No. My penthouse. And call Dr. Ramirez." Maya woke up to the soft hum of air conditioning, warm sheets, and the quiet lullaby of city lights flickering outside the glass windows of a high-rise she never dreamed she'd step foot in. Her body was sore. Her mind foggy. She blinked, then gasped. "Hope. She's right here," came a voice. Ethan was holding her daughter, who was now wrapped in a proper blanket, fed, and sleeping peacefully in his arms. He sat in a leather chair beside her bed, his eyes unusually soft.